Good morning, friends. It is travel day number 4. Beautiful day. Rain in the area. Don't know if we're going to get any though. We just finished breakfast here at the new Buc-ee's in Colorado. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We are heading to our next destination. I'm not going to reveal it right now. But yeah, we're heading on down the road here in a minute. I'm walking to a trash can to throw away trash. If you've never been to a Buc-ee's, they are starting to kind of be everywhere. Like I said, this one in Colorado just opened, and then they opened a new one in Amarillo, Texas. But they are famous for their brisket and cinnamon rolls. So, yeah. All right, I am gonna stop here. We're gonna get on down the road and yeah, see where today takes us. I am well rested. Hubby's well rested. Levi's Levi. He's just excited to be traveling. So here we go, onward to day number 4. All right, we are in North Platte, Nebraska at Golden Spike Railroad. Oh, that is a mouthful to say. If you look, there is a couple of engines going. This is apparently the world's biggest rail yard. But you can see, I'm gonna kind of go around this way. Sorry, there's poles. We're up on the 7th floor, which is the open air observation deck. I'm gonna try and get and then it goes down this way. You look all the way down there, and yes, it is raining today. Hold on. So again, this is in North Platte, Nebraska. You can look it up on the internet. There's actually quite a bit of stuff on Google for it. And they have a website. And I know I have one train enthusiast that watches my channel, Cassie. I know you and your husband will enjoy this. I'm just kind of panning around a couple of different times in case you missed something. There's even a, see if I can zoom out. There's a train going way out there. So yeah, it goes way up there. Yeah. I'll zoom you guys in a little bit. All right, I will be back with more travel day number 4 in a bit. Okay, and when in Nebraska, what do you see? You see corn. Lots and lots of corn. There's another little train thing down there. Some flags. We're not going to go out down there because it is, as you see, it is wet. But, yep. There you have it. Well, we are going nowhere. This is our current situation, Interstate 80 in Nebraska. Apparently there's a big accident ahead of us and all lanes are closed, and we're sitting in the middle of a thunderstorm. So, yeah. That's what's going on. Fun. So, I'll report back to you guys when we can make it to the hotel. But, yep. I've already been sitting here about 20 minutes and I don't know how much longer it's going to be. Oh, here we are, an hour later, and the storms are much worse. That's our view. The ambulance left and fire left from what we could see. We don't know what else is up there, and heavy tow went by, so we are still waiting. Still have several hours to our next destination, and it's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So, yeah, here we are. Staring at the back of a semi. Lots of lightning, lots of thunder. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is all kinds of lightning bugs all over here. It's so hard to see them because it's still daylight at almost 10 o'clock at night. But there is just a ton of them all over these fields. We are literally in the backbones of Nebraska still. Just look for little dots of light. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. This cornfield, you seem to see more. Yeah, see those little flashes of lights? Those are fireflies. There have been thousands of them on this little stretch of road. I keep getting them come up to my car. It's like they want to come visit. Oh no. Sorry, I'm trying not to zoom you guys in too far. But they're all over these cornfields here. Alright, and you're gonna drive into Kansas with us. Let's go. There's some more. It's okay. Yeah, I already got pictures, but I'm going to video as we're driving into Kansas now. Okay, here we go. Welcome to Kansas in the backbones of Nebraska. There's Nebraska in the rear view. Good morning, friends. This is going to be my outro for travel day number 4. I was way too tired last night. Our travel day was pretty long. We started at, I think about 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. We got on the road and did not check in our hotel until 11 o'clock at night. You'll see clips in this video. We got stuck on Interstate 80 for almost 2 hours. And then we were finally able to get turned around to take a detour through the backbones of Nebraska. That was interesting. You see everything in little small towns. And so that's how we got to our current destination in Kansas. By the time you see this, we will not be in Kansas anymore. But yesterday it was interesting. We left the hotel and it was cloudy, and there was a threat of rain, but we didn't know, to what extent we were going to get it. And yeah, we had severe thunderstorms and lots and lots of rain. And the temperatures were kind of all over the board too. We did stop at Golden Spike Railroad in Nebraska, despite the rain. There's going to be video clips in here of that. What else did we do yesterday? Not much. That was about it. Yeah. I'm still just so tired, and my head is beginning to throb because I have not had enough caffeine the last few days. So I'm gonna have to remedy that later when we get to our destination. Yeah, I'm just staring out the window here trying to figure out what is beyond us except for a whole bunch of woods. I don't know. But I did get a lot of crochet done on the V-stitch shawl with the painterly cakes. I'm actually almost done with it. I mean, what else are you gonna do when you're sitting in traffic, right? Yeah. But yeah, that's what we did. And then just as we were getting ready to exit Nebraska and enter into Kansas, thousands and thousands of fireflies dancing throughout the cornfields. So you'll see video clips in here of that as well. And then you're going to drive into Kansas with us. So anyways, like I said, this is my outro for today. We are onward to travel day number 5. We are getting so much closer to Michigan. So travel day number 5. Let's go. I love you all. God loves you. Be kind to one another. And let's go see what today has in store for us, okay? Pack your bags. Let's go.